Hello artists, today we are going to be working on our basic sketch of our character for our self-portrait. First, to help you sketch, you can measure half the length and width of your paper, or if you don't have a ruler, you can fold your paper in half. Use your ruler to mark lines down the middle of the paper for guiding lines. Use this grid. You can draw the head in the middle of the paper now that you have lines to help you. If you forgot how to draw the head, you can start with the letter U and then add ears and hair on top. Don't forget to draw facial features like eyes, nose, mouth, eyebrows, and more details. You should refer to the worksheets that we went over last week for eyes, nose, mouth, and head. Don't forget to add shading, dark values, light values, and plan out what time of day you want your character to be in. Is it going to be nighttime or daytime, outside, indoors? Also draw details like clothes, accessories, and a background behind them. When you sketch, it could be a simple sketch, and then when you move on to your final project, you can add more details. As you see here, here's my example of my sketch before I transferred it over to my final drawing. You can always use the Tim Burton facial proportions worksheet that is provided in Schoology. Check out the other videos on my YouTube that goes over how we started the head, the facial features last week. Here's an example of my final artwork next to the worksheet. Once you've transferred your final artwork, start to add more lines, values, and shapes to make it more visually interesting. Later this week, we will talk more about color.